Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your phone number to your Messenger account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on mobile number. And then click on the first option saying add mobile number. Here you can type in your phone number, and after that click on the next icon. If you go back, you can also manage mobile numbers, meaning that you will be able to add the phone number, and it will help you to reset your password easily and receive notifications via a phone. It will also help you to suggest friends and provide and improve ads for you and others. So only you will see your number as it says on the screen at the top. So feel free to add or change your phone number anytime. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.